Welcome to Manchester, a city where industrial heritage meets modern innovation. Today, we begin our journey through its historic heart. Our first stop is Albert Square, the focal point of the city, dominated by the magnificent Manchester Town Hall. This Victorian masterpiece is a testament to the city's wealth and ambition during the Industrial Revolution. The square is named after Prince Albert, whose memorial stands proudly at its center, surrounded by history. As we move deeper into the city, let's take a quick moment for a small favor. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Continuing down Deansgate, we approach one of the most beautiful libraries in the world. The John Rylands Library looks like a cathedral, but its treasures are of the literary kind. Step inside and you'll find a sanctuary of knowledge, open to the public in 1900. The architecture here is breathtaking, with intricate details at every turn of the corridor. The main reading room feels like a set from a fantasy film, housing rare manuscripts and early printed books. From the Gutenberg Bible to personal letters, the collection here is truly world-class. A short walk away lies St. Anne's Square, a peaceful oasis amidst the city's hustle and bustle. The Royal Exchange was once the center of the world's cotton trade, earning the city the nickname Cottonopolis. Today, it lives on as a vibrant theater, blending its industrial past with a creative future. Manchester is a city that never stops evolving, respecting its roots while looking forward. Now, let's head to Castlefield, the site of the city's earliest beginnings. Here lie the remains of Mamutium, the Roman fort that gave Manchester its name. Settled around 79 AD, these stones mark nearly 2,000 years of history. Castlefield is also the heart of the canal network that powered the Industrial Revolution. The red brick warehouses and towpaths create a uniquely atmospheric landscape. Massive iron bridges crisscross above, showcasing the engineering marvels of a bygone era. It's a perfect place to pause and appreciate how much this city has transformed. Rising above the heritage is the Beetham Tower, a symbol of modern Manchester's skyward reach. From its heights, you can see the sprawling patchwork of history that makes this city unique. Nearby, Spinningfields offers a glimpse into the city's thriving modern economy and nightlife. This vibrant area is a hub of energy, perfectly contrasting the quiet history of Castlefield. That concludes part 1 of our Manchester walking tour. Join us next time for part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.